Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, on our channel, we're delving into the exhilarating world of automobiles, and our spotlight is on the legendary Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll break down every detail of this off-road marvel, from engine power to refined design, allowing you to truly feel the spirit of adventure on the road. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the world of automotive passion? If you enjoyed our content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Your encouragement fuels our motivation for creating more exciting video projects. Let's get started on this thrilling journey together. Jeep, the undisputed SUV maestro, brings its legacy of off-road prowess to a wider horizon with the 2024 Grand Cherokee. While the brand is renowned for rugged icons like the Wrangler, the Grand Cherokee extends its appeal to a diverse audience. This two-row mid-size SUV, distinct from the three-row Grand Cherokee L, is crafted for paved highways, but infused with enough off-road capability to uphold Jeep's adventurous spirit. Under the hood, a robust V6 commands most models, but for the eco-conscious explorer, the plug-in hybrid 4xe system is a game-changer. It takes center stage in the Trailhawk, the Grand Cherokee's most formidable model. Jeep doesn't stop there to cater to every taste. They offer a spectrum of trims, starting from the no-frills Laredo and ascending to the opulent Summit Reserve. This top-tier variant is a luxurious contender, poised to rival esteemed counterparts from BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Buckle up as we unravel the allure of the 2024 Grand Cherokee, where Jeep seamlessly blends rugged capability with refined elegance. Let's explore the journey that awaits, where off-road legacy meets modern luxury. Are you ready for the ultimate Jeep experience? Are you ready for experience the thrilling power of the Grand Cherokee, offering two formidable engine options? Opt for the robust 293 HP 3.6-liter V6 for a classic performance, or dive into the future with the plug-in hybrid 4x4 powertrain. The 4x4 combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with an electric motor, delivering a commanding 375 horsepower and an impressive 470 pound-feet of torque. Fueled by a 14.0 kWh battery pack, this hybrid setup ensures both power and efficiency. While rear-wheel drive comes standard with the base V6, the Grand Cherokee with the plug-in hybrid powertrain boasts all-wheel drive as the standard, featuring various systems, including an electronically locking limited-slip differential. For the true off-road enthusiasts, the Trailhawk model takes the adventure up a notch. With an adjustable air suspension providing up to 11.3 inches of ground clearance and a disconnecting anti-roll bar for enhanced wheel articulation, it's built to conquer challenging terrains. Need for speed? The 4x4 takes the lead, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds and covering a quarter mile in 13.9 seconds at 100 miles per hour. Even the V6-powered Summit holds its own, managing a respectable 7.4-second run to 60 miles per hour at our test track. With its impressive composure and exceptionally smooth ride, the Grand Cherokee is set to redefine your driving experience. Step into a revamped and thoroughly modernized cabin that breathes new life into the Grand Cherokee's interior. Bid farewell to the somewhat dated design of the outgoing model. While the base Laredo models offer the essentials, prepare to be indulged by the upscale Summit and Overland trims, where luxuries abound. Picture yourself surrounded by quilted leather upholstery, the warm touch of open-pore wood trim, and cutting-edge digital displays that elevate the driving experience. In this two-row SUV, the Grand Cherokee caters to those with a taste for sophistication and comfort. But wait, there's more. For those desiring an extra row, the Grand Cherokee L is the answer, a topic we'll delve into in a separate review. While we're yet to put the new Grand Cherokee to the test, anticipation is high. We're expecting it to not only meet, but exceed our expectations, providing ample space for our carry-on suitcases, promising a seamless blend of style and functionality. Hovering just above the Grand Cherokee's dashboard is an interactive hub, boasting either an 8.4 or 10.1-inch touchscreen. It's not just a screen. It's your portal to seamless connectivity with standard features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and SiriusXM satellite radio. Elevate your navigation game with an optional in-dash navigation system, offering real-time traffic and weather updates. For those craving an elevated tech experience, higher-end models offer a digital gauge cluster, a 10.0-inch head-up display, and an additional 10.3-inch display embedded into the dashboard. a dedicated space for the front seat passenger's convenience. Your auditory senses are in for a treat too. While the Laredo and Limited models come equipped with a standard 6-speaker stereo, audiophiles can level up with options like a 9-speaker Alpine audio setup or a top-tier 19-speaker Macintosh arrangement. Immerse yourself in a world where technology and entertainment seamlessly intertwine, making every journey an engaging experience. As drivers seek more advanced safety features like pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, and semi-autonomous driving modes, Jeep is stepping up its game. The Grand Cherokee now comes equipped with an extensive array of standard safety technologies to meet this growing demand. If you're curious about how the Grand Cherokee fares in crash tests, dive into the details on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, HTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IYHS websites. Here's a glimpse of some key safety features. Expect automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Jeep's commitment to safety ensures you're not just driving, you're driving with confidence. Embark on your Grand Cherokee journey with an eco-friendly touch. The V6-powered Grand Cherokee sets fuel economy benchmarks in the midsize SUV segment, boasting estimates of 19 mpg city and 26 mpg highway with rear-wheel drive. Opting for all-wheel drive trims shaves off just 1 mpg from each of these figures, ensuring efficiency without compromise. Now, let's talk plug-in hybrid magic. The 4xe not only delivers superior fuel economy with ratings of 23 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, but it also introduces a 14.0 kWh battery pack and a robust 134 HP electric motor. Picture this: the Grand Cherokee gracefully cruising for up to 26 miles per charge, thanks to its electrifying performance. Jeep proudly shares that the Grand Cherokee, equipped with the 4xe powertrain, conquered the iconic Rubicon Trail entirely in its EV driving mode. Get ready for a ride that's not just powerful, but environmentally conscious too. Drawing inspiration from the success of last year's Grand Cherokee, our top pick for most buyers is the vibrant mid-range limited trim. Elevating your driving experience, it comes packed with an array of convenience and luxury features that surpass the offerings of the Laredo, boasting a more expansive touchscreen and integrated navigation. If your heart craves adventure, set your sights on the Trailhawk and Overland models, where the thrill of the journey meets the pinnacle of style and functionality. The road to excellence starts with the Limited, but the Trailhawk and Overland promise an exploration beyond the ordinary. Thank you for being with us until the end in this video. We remind you that if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. This gives us strength for the further development of the channel. Take care of yourself.